Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Carolyn here from Never Perfect Resin. And goodness gracious, you guys, I have been waiting for this thing for so long. It's not even funny how long we were waiting. Waiting. But I think it was because it was the holidays, and of course there's cat hairs all over it. Right when I started filming, you guys, 3 cats literally are like over there, one's over there, another one's over there. It's ridiculous. Anyhow, new molds for me. That's a Newfoundland hair. Sorry. New molds from IntoResin. I am super excited. Now, yes, it's after Christmas. Is this my Christmas package? Yes, it is. But that is okay, because so many, if not all these molds, I think all these molds are going to be totally fine year round, maybe save for 1, possibly 2. But we're going to open these guys up. I want to see what we got. I have got my box cutter ready to go. Boom. We're going to literally open this guy up together and see what we have, because I just can't anymore. I can't wait any longer. And this is going to be amazing. All right, cool. All right. Boom. Whew. Okay, we are opened. We are good to go. I already know for a fact that this guy, and I'm covering him. I don't want anyone to look. Close your eyes, don't look. I want to do this one last, because this is kind of the pièce de résistance, if you will. Don't look at that. We're going to keep going. Oh my goodness gracious. I cannot even. Got my little, in case you are not, oh, we're updated. Okay. Care guide for IntoResin handmade mold updated. All right. So actually, I am definitely going to read this. If you guys want to go ahead and screenshot that, go ahead. And yeah, super exciting. Okay, cool. I'm going to quickly, well, I'm not going to waste your time. Here, hold on. All right, one thing I will say, and IntoResin, I am so sorry if this already existed. I'm going to have to pull up another one of my care guides, but I feel like this is a new note. But please check the molds before using them. If there's a quality issue, contact within 3 days of receiving. So that is amazing. And it also is kind of a, reminder for y'all. If you order these molds, open them up immediately, give them a check. I have personally never had a quality issue with IntoResin molds. They've always been absolutely perfect and stunning, but I love that they kind of give you this little like note, and that just means like, hello, customer service. They are here for you and they will fix the problem pretty much immediately. So I love that. Very, very cool. All right. So we are going to keep on going. I'm going to just kind of take all this out. And last but not least in my little package is, again, their little, thanks for the order card and all of that good stuff. So, all right, cool. So, here we go. It is so silly how excited I am about these, but I have been waiting a minute, and the post in the DC metropolitan area is pretty crazy around the holidays. So I know things were definitely delayed, and absolutely not IntoResin's fault. In fact, this was shipped well in time, and it actually arrived, it stayed in New Jersey for a good 10 days, which was kind of crazy. I was like, come on, New Jersey, like, come on down to Virginia, please, because I need my package. But yeah. But here, I'm going to take everything out and we are going to get into it. Whoop. Okay, I can't even do that. I don't want to dump. I don't want to dump because everything's too nice and pretty. Sorry, I'm not dumping. We're just going to put everything out. Oh my gosh. No. First off, ooh, where are we going to start? I think we're going to start with this guy. this beautiful snowflake mold. And sorry, but my birthday's in January, and where I'm from in Virginia on the East Coast, for whatever reason, now with the exception of this year, this year it has already snowed a couple times, but usually snow is not really happening in my neck of the woods until like late February, March, historically, at least in the last like decade or so. It's been kind of weird, or gosh, in the last couple decades. So for me, I'm going to be making snowflakes and like, you know, enjoying my winter theme resin well into, you know, the folds of like March 21st, which is, you know, springtime. So I actually have to thank Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner for featuring this mold a number of weeks back. She did a video on this particular mold, and once I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, have to have it. Must have it. Want it. It needs to be in my life. And I just think it's absolutely stunning. All of these little facets and doohickeys and all of the little things. And the other thing, you guys, is that, like, I don't know if you can see it because I'm actually, oh, I'm looking for it. Okay. See it right here, right there. That is the, oh, see right here. That is the little like whole thing, like the, you know what I mean? So you can make it into a decoration. So I'm so excited about this one. I love it so much. Absolutely stunning. Okay, did we just see, apparently I got to talking and I wasn't even thinking. I totally like ripped the bag. Like Christmas, classic me on Christmas Day. I was too excited and I just completely ripped this bag open for this mold. I can't even believe I did that. I didn't even notice until like afterwards, and I was like, oh gosh, it's all good. We're good. We're okay. Boom. All right. All right, he's going off to the side now. All right. Oh, let's do this one next. And gosh, I can't even remember. Oh, what is this? Okay, let's see. What are we? What are we? This time, I'm actually going to like be mindful. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Okay. I remember what I got. Okay, this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. So we've got a little heart with that gorgeous, just crystal gemstone effect. And then we have, this is a little envelope. It's an envelope. It's like a sealed letter with a little heart deep in the center. And I think these are absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to use these. I think they will make absolutely adorable like keychains, purse charms, backpack charms. My daughter has a bunch of friends that have birthdays that are about to come up, and they are very into their backpack charms lately. So I can definitely see myself making a number of these, and I just think they're going to be absolutely gorgeous. So loving this one so much. Very, very cool. All right, next up, handmade snowflake castle mold. Ah, okay. I cannot even remember what this one looks like. So, okay, let's see. And again, I'm going to be mindful whilst talking with you guys. Also, how was everyone's holiday season? I mean, it's not quite over yet, is it? But I hope everyone was doing fantastic. My family ended up with the stomach flu, so that was like a little bit annoying, kind of a bummer, but we are all nice and healthy now, so thank goodness for that. All right, are we seeing this? This is beyond, okay, I can't even, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. All right, I need to like fix my camera angle here, fix the light or something. Something's like not doing it justice. I'm sure it's my light. Okay, this, oh, it's literally like, it almost looks like a little like Taj Mahal situation. And then there's these snowflakes on the bottom. And I mean, this perfect ornament, also like perfect in sun catcher. Again, I'm going to make this into a sun catcher and put it in the kitchen window. I have a garden window in my kitchen, and I can see that. Maybe dye it just like with an, you know, translucent color, something very nice and light, and just have that sparkle come through while I'm cooking. Love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love that one. I'm so excited to use this. All right, next up, so I specifically wanted this one, and I hope my mom is not watching this, because my idea is, my mom loves angels. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness gracious. But so my thinking, like with my mom, she loves angels. She always has an angel like hanging either in her window, in her bay window, or she's got one like, you know, hanging from her car, the rear view mirror, that kind of thing. So I just thought this would be so beautiful and perfect. So yeah, huge fan of that. I love it so much. All right, you guys, this is the pièce de résistance, the piece that I'm so excited about. Here, let's take it out. We're going to take it out and then we're going to talk about it. Hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. My absolute favorite flower during the holiday time are poinsettias. And I saw this and I died. Like literally was like, like, I can't breathe. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. Oh my goodness gracious. No, I'm not going to lie. This mold, I mean, not cheap, but absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my God. So this is going to be a trinket. This is a nice, big, chunky wonky trinket box. Okay. Like beautiful, like boom. Oh, so this is going to be so exciting for me to try. IntoResin molds, because they're handmade, because obviously this quality is so just intricate, and the attention to detail, like you do pay for it, but in my opinion, it is definitely worth it. I've done a whole video on, you know, what do you spend, you know, what is worth spending the money on when you're doing your resin art. And I remember when I did that video, a lot of you said, and it was kind of a mixed bag, but it was always either spend the money on molds or spend the money on good resin, or both. Pigments, colorants, alcohol inks, all that stuff we can kind of get away sometimes with like spending a little bit less. All right, so you guys, that is my little haul, my holiday haul from IntoResin. And I could not be more thrilled with everything that they've sent me. I've always been really happy with everything I've gotten from them. And if you are interested in trying anything out from IntoResin, you can definitely feel free to use my code. I do have it linked down below. 20% off, and you can use my code NEVERPERFECTCAROLYN. See for yourself. And usually always, I've never gone on their website where they didn't have some kind of like really good sale going on. So anyhow, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely excited. I've got to figure out, what are we going to make? What are we going to make first? Oh my gosh, you guys, what do you think? What should we play with first? I really want to play with these. I mean, I have to make a box, like that's happening, but yeah, I'm super excited to get into these guys, start using them, but I had to do this little unboxing for you guys and hopefully get it up before the new year or right at the new year. We'll see. time depending. But yeah, what a great way to wrap up 2024 and go into 2025. And I hope you guys have an amazing new year, whatever you're doing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.